Morning and welcome to a lovely day. It's freezing cold, but the sun is out, the bike is out. Beautiful day. So today's ride agenda, keep it simple. Zone 2, just spin the legs, enjoy the views. So I'm heading to Carew today. If I'm lucky, stop for a coffee somewhere and then just make the most of the sunshine. Stunning day today, absolutely lovely. It's hard to stay motivated in the winter, but days like this you definitely should be out of your couch doing something outdoors. I think the next couple of days it's gonna be dry and cold, but I don't mind it as long as the sun is out. I'm a happy bunny. Let's just enjoy this ride. I made it to Carew. Made it to Cresali, just by the cricket club. My GoPro froze. I don't know what was wrong. I had to take out the batteries, put it back in. It's working now. I missed a lot of gorgeous footage. I hope I can give you some more. I'm almost home. Another 5 or 6 miles. My base fitness needs to be worked out on, and I seem to be not in good shape, to be honest. And I believe the more I ride, the more I'll get fitter and build myself up for the summer rides, because 50k or 60 kilometers feels like an odax now. Seems like I've been cycling for a long time, but that's fine. That's how you build up your strength back. Not so worried about it. Just keep pedaling and pedaling. You guys enjoyed watching today's episode. Early season to test the fitness. It can only get better from here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Cheers.